What's something people don't know about making money with crypto? It's easier than ever with the Dotcoin Telegram bot. First things first, open Telegram and search for Dotcoin bot. Found it? Great. Now hit start and follow the prompts to set up your wallet. Easy, right? Next, deposit some Dotcoin into your wallet. Don't worry, it's secure and simple. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Now here's where the fun begins. The bot offers various ways to earn. You can complete tasks, participate in staking, or even refer friends to earn bonuses. Watch your earnings grow as you complete more activities. And whenever you're ready, you can easily withdraw your earnings straight to your wallet. Imagine earning crypto while just using your phone. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? So what are you waiting for? Get started with the Dotcoin Telegram bot today and watch your crypto stash grow. Remember, the earlier you start, the more you earn. Happy earning!